What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Box Truckers channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change your oil at home. Do your best you can so you don't make as much of a mess like I already have.
Are you on a mission, Ferris?
Yeah.
Smile for the camera.
So I know a lot of y'all might be wondering how to do this at home, save a little bit of money. So today we're going to show you how to do it on a 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD Duramax. So all you need to get this done is just an oil filter, some oil. This is Cheverolet 15W40s, oil filter wrench, some wrenches, drip pan, and a crawler. You don't have to have a crawler, it just makes it a little bit easier. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is take your drip pan, put it under the truck, under the oil pan, and you're going to drain all the old oil out. Alright, so you're going to start by removing this bolt right here on this particular truck. It's a 17 millimeter. That's hot. Ow. Mother. Oh. Just gonna take your bolt and just screw it back in. You want to make sure it's in there tight. So the next thing you want to do is take your oil filter wrench, get on your oil filter. You can use that to remove your oil filter. Let go. Now when you start moving this, there's still some oil that's left up in this filter. You just want to loosen it up a little bit to let that start draining out, just so you don't make as much of a mess like I already have. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is prime your oil filter. Just want to dip your fingers on this oil. You're going to rub it around the seal. And then you're going to fill it about halfway up. Okay, and now you're just going to screw the oil filter back in. It's going to be kind of tricky with having a little bit of oil in it. You're going to spill some probably, but just do your best you can. And you want to make sure you only get it hand tight. You don't want to tighten it down for wrench. We're done under here, done for the nasty part.
Are you turning it on? No. I'll get to push you. Little damage control.
Alright guys, next steps when you unscrew your engine oil cap, fill it full of oil. This truck takes about 10 quarts of motor oil. Alright, now that you got your 10 quarts of oil in, put your oil cap back on. And that's it right there. Alright, now that you got it all in there, good to crank her up. Okay, so now on this particular truck, it'll tell you when your oil is getting low. You see mine's at 0%. Come right here, hold down this enter button. It's gonna be different on all models, but just hold it down. And there you go. It'll reset it right there. And that should be back at 100%. All right, so now the last thing you want to do, after you've let it cycle a little bit, you're going to pull your dipstick, just check and make sure you got enough oil in it. If you don't, you might just have to add a little bit more. Back in. On this truck, you want to be careful not to touch that positive terminal when you're doing this. It will make sparks. Trust me. All right, guys, that's it to it. If y'all like this video and like, you know, seeing some work done on this diesel truck, like, comment, subscribe, just let us know. I think next thing we might do is, I've got a aftermarket fuel filter down here, the cat fuel filter. I'll show you guys how to change that out. Thanks for watching.
Oh.